Imagine if your Zoho CRM could update leads, send emails, and trigger workflows automatically and without you touching anything. Today, I'll show you how to connect Zoho with n8n using API and automate your entire business process. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to integrate Zoho with n8n using OAuth2 and API calls. No complex coding needed. First, go to Zoho Developer Console. Create a new client. Choose Server-Based Application. Once created, you'll get Client ID, Client Secret. Set your redirect URL, https://n8n-domain/rest/oauth2-credential/callback. This is important for authentication. Now go to n8n, create new credentials, arrow select OAuth2 API, fill in auth URL https://accounts.zoho.com/oauth/v2/auth access, token URL https://accounts.zoho.com/oauth/v2/token client ID and secret from Zoho scopes. Example, Zoho CRM.modules.all. Then click connect and authorize your Zoho account. Boom. Now every time your workflow runs, a new lead is added automatically in Zoho. And that's it. You've just connected Zoho with n8n using API. Now you can automate lead generation, sync data across platforms, build full AI-powered workflows. If you want a done-for-you automation system, that's exactly what we build at Brighten8.